Question. P.S. When -3 is smaller than x, which is smaller than -2, and 1 is smaller than y, which is smaller than 2, which of the following options contains 1 over x times y? Solution. Maximum and minimum of range. Range is equal to the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value. The values of x plus y, x minus y, x times y, and x over y are between the minimum and maximum values. Cross cases. Both negative and positive numbers. Be careful of the reciprocal. Always be careful when dealing with negative numbers, including the cross multiplication cases, which are related differently to positive numbers and negative numbers. If we're given that a is greater than b, then 1 over a is smaller than 1 over b will not be true when a is greater than 0 and b is smaller than 0. However, if a is greater than b, which is greater than 0, or 0 is greater than a, which is greater than b, then 1 over a is smaller than 1 over b will be true. We are required to find the range of the values of 1 over x times y if -3 is smaller than x, which is smaller than -2, and 1 is smaller than y, which is smaller than 2. This type of question frequently appears in the exam as the first question. You should get this one right because the beginning of the exam is important. We have learned that x times y lies between the maximum and minimum values, so let us find the maximum and minimum in each case. The range of values of x is -3 is smaller than x, which is smaller than -2. And the range of values of y is 1 is smaller than y, which is smaller than 2. The different values of x times y are -3 times 1 equals -3. -3 times 2 equals -6. -2 times 1 equals -2. -2 times 2 equals -4. So we get minimum is smaller than x times y, which is smaller than maximum, or -6 is smaller than x times y, which is smaller than -2. Since both minimum and maximum are negative, we get 1 over -6 is greater than 1 over x times y, which is greater than 1 over -2. Or 1 over x times y is between -1 over 2 and -1 over 6 by the negative numbers. Remember to be careful of the reciprocal. Since the values of x times y are all negative numbers, the direction of the inequality is reversed when you take the reciprocals. Thus, C is the correct answer. Answer C.